Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Xbox One X is probably one of the most powerful consoles on the market, offering stunning 4K gaming and a vast library of incredible titles, but is it the right choice for you in today's rapidly evolving gaming landscape? We're diving deep into what makes this machine tick, exploring its capabilities, and helping you decide if this powerhouse is the ultimate addition to your entertainment setup. Number 5. Xbox One X 1TB Star Wars Jedi, Fallen Order Bundle. Embark on a galaxy-spanning adventure with this incredible bundle. It includes everything you need to dive into the Star Wars universe. This package comes with the powerful console, a wireless controller, and the full deluxe edition of Star Wars Jedi, Fallen Order. You'll also get trials for Xbox Live Gold and Xbox Game Pass. The deluxe edition offers exclusive cosmetic skins for your droid and ship, a digital art book, and over 90 minutes of behind-the-scenes footage. Experience a brand new narrative in the Star Wars universe. Encounter familiar and new characters, planets, and enemies on your journey. With the included trial, you get instant access to over 100 high-quality games. Enjoy online multiplayer and discover new favorites. Consider Xbox All Access for low monthly payments and no upfront cost. You'll get access to a vast library of games and online multiplayer, with a console upgrade option. What we like. If you're a Star Wars fan looking for an epic single-player adventure, this bundle is for you. It includes the deluxe edition of Jedi, Fallen Order with extra cosmetic items and behind-the-scenes content. If you want to dive into a rich narrative and explore the Star Wars universe, this is a great choice. What people say. It does look better even on that TV, cleaner, crisper, and with better colors. This Xbox is better than the original Xbox One is every way imaginable. It performs well during extended use as well. The console runs very quietly. Number 4. Xbox One S 1TB Fortnite Special Edition Bundle. Get ready for an epic gaming experience with this special edition console bundle. It includes everything you need to jump right into the action. This bundle features a stunning gradient purple 1TB console and a matching controller. Stand out with this unique and stylish design. Dive into the world of Fortnite with the free-to-play Battle Royale mode. You'll also receive the exclusive Dark Vertex cosmetic set and 2,000 V-Bucks to enhance your gameplay. Enjoy instant access to a vast library of over 100 games with the included 1-month trial of Xbox Game Pass. Discover new favorites and endless entertainment. Manage your family's gaming experience with robust Xbox One family settings. Easily set privacy, screen time, and content limits for everyone. This console is your all-in-one entertainment hub. Watch 4K Blu-ray movies, stream your favorite shows in 4K, and listen to music with Spotify. What we like. For the Fortnite enthusiast, this special edition console offers exclusive in-game items and V-Bucks to enhance your experience. If you're looking for a console that also doubles as a 4K Blu-ray player and streaming device, this bundle provides great value for casual gamers and movie lovers alike. What people say. The console is a powerhouse and delivers stunning 4K visuals. Backward compatibility with Xbox 360 and original Xbox games is a huge plus. The included controller is comfortable and responsive for long gaming sessions. Number 3. Xbox One X Cyberpunk 2077 Limited Edition Bundle. Introducing the Xbox One X Limited Edition Bundle, inspired by the world of Cyberpunk 2077. This console is a collector's item, featuring a unique design that brings Night City to life. Its 1TB console boasts glowing elements, vibrant panels, and color shift effects, mirroring the urban decay and high-tech aesthetic of Night City. It's more than a console, it's a gateway to a new world. Get your hands on the limited edition wireless controller, inspired by Johnny Silverhand's iconic cybernetic arm. Its unique design merges natural and enhanced elements for a truly special feel. Step into a massive, ever-evolving open world as a mercenary outlaw. Customize your cyberware, skills, and playstyle to forge your own path and dominate the neon-drenched streets. Beyond gaming, this device is your entertainment hub. Enjoy 4K Blu-ray movies, stream your favorite shows in stunning 4K, and listen to music, all from one powerful machine. This bundle comes with a full game download of Cyberpunk 2077 and its first expansion, delivered directly to your console upon release. Plus, enjoy a trial of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. What we like. If you're drawn to the gritty, futuristic world of Cyberpunk 2077, this limited edition console is a must-have. Its unique design inspired by Night City and Johnny Silverhand makes it a collector's item. If you're ready to immerse yourself in a massive open-world RPG with deep customization, this is the bundle for you. What people say. This console is everything you'd expect it to be, a work of art. I've owned, or own, pretty much every limited edition console that was made, and I must say this has the best custom on-off sounds out of all them. This is the very first time I've set my console up vertically because the design on the bottom is too damn good to not see. Plus, it glows in the dark. It even has special start-up and shut-down sounds with LED lights, pretty cool. In conclusion, if you want a brand new awesome Xbox One X done Cyberpunk style, then this is it. The console has an awesome custom paint job on it which totally brings the game to life. Also included is a custom controller and a game code. Number 2. Xbox One X 1TB NBA 2K20 Bundle. Experience the ultimate gaming bundle with the Xbox One X 1TB console. This package includes everything you need to get started. Dive into the action with a 1TB console, a wireless controller, and a full download of NBA 2K20. You'll also get a month of Xbox Live Gold and a month of Xbox Game Pass. Redefine what's possible in sports gaming with unparalleled player control and customization. Enjoy best-in-class graphics and gameplay across groundbreaking game modes. Join the open-world neighborhood and shoot hoops with the best ballers from around the world. Create what's next in basketball culture in this series where gamers and ballers come together. Enjoy instant access to over 100 high-quality games right out of the box with the included 1-month trial of Xbox Game Pass. It's not just about gaming. Watch 4K Blu-ray movies, stream 4K video on Netflix, Amazon, and YouTube, and listen to music with Spotify. What we like. Basketball fans, this one's for you. If you're looking to experience the pinnacle of sports gaming with unparalleled player control and customization, this bundle is ideal. If you enjoy creating your own basketball legacy and joining a vibrant community, this is the perfect way to get started. What people say. The Xbox One X's design is noteworthy for its small footprint, quiet operation, and effective cooling. The upgrade to 4K HDR gaming was more noticeable than I expected it to be. The X truly lives up to the hype of being incredibly fast and delivering superior visuals, as well as audio, Dolby Atmos, compared to any other console in existence. Number 1. Xbox One X 1TB Gears 5 Limited Edition Bundle. Introducing the Xbox One X 1TB Gears 5 Limited Edition Bundle. This exclusive package offers an unparalleled gaming experience. Own a piece of art with its unique dark translucent casing. The Crimson Omen design is inspired by the Gears universe, making it a standout collector's item. Dive into the gripping campaign as Kate Diaz. Uncover her family's secrets and face the ultimate threat to Sarah. Relive the entire Gears saga with full game downloads of Gears of War, Ultimate Edition, Gears 2, 3, and 4. Continue the fight in brutal new game modes like Escape, Versus, and Horde. Enjoy a month trial of Xbox Game Pass for access to over 100 high-quality games. Plus, get a month of Xbox Live Gold for online multiplayer. Consider Xbox All Access for low monthly payments with no upfront cost. Get access to games, online multiplayer, and even a console upgrade option. What we like. For the ultimate Gears of War fan, this limited edition bundle is a dream come true. It features a striking translucent console with unique etched details and includes the Gears 5 Ultimate Edition plus several other Gears titles. If you want to immerse yourself in the rich lore and intense action of the Gears universe, this is the definitive collection. What people say. The console is a beast, it runs games at native 4K. The graphics are stunning and the frame rates are very stable. The bundle includes a great selection of games that are all enhanced for the Xbox One X. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.